Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. Let's draw and hear the story behind the Venom. In a dark corner of the universe, far away from Earth, there lived a strange, gooey creature called a symbiote. It had no shape of its own, but it could attach to other beings and give them amazing powers. One day, this creature traveled all the way to Earth. And that's when the story of Venom began. At first, the symbiote met a superhero, Spider-Man. When it covered him, it gave him a new black suit that made him faster and stronger. But something felt wrong. The suit started making Spider-Man act mean and angry. He didn't like how it made him feel, so he took it off and never wore it again. But the symbiote didn't go away. It was sad and angry. Then it found someone else, a man named Eddie Brock. Eddie didn't like Spider-Man either, so when the symbiote joined with him, they became one super strong being called Venom. Venom looked like Spider-Man, but was bigger, scarier, and had a long tongue and sharp teeth. People were afraid of him, but deep down, Venom wasn't all bad. He just wanted to protect the people he cared about in his own way. Sometimes Venom fights Spider-Man, but other times he helps save the day. He may look scary, but he can be a hero too. A different kind of hero. So remember, just like Venom, people or aliens can change and do good things, even if they start off on the wrong path. Would you be friends with Venom? Bye for now. See you next time.